$2,500 person, padlock renovation. Front rail, front porch is loose. Needs to be repaired. Missing pieces to the weather stripping for the front door. Needs to be replaced. Back for the screen door is broken. Unable to lock the screen door. Needs to be repaired. See, it's gonna be a large trash out. Clothes, furniture, mattresses, grills, bikes, trash. You need to replace all blinds. It's a total of 12. There's several markings on the walls. Black marks, scuff marks, nail holes throughout. Damage to the wooden floor. No more scratches, stains, and surface scratches. Needs to be checked out. More markings on the wall. Crack in the window pane. Inner water leak. Sprayer housing is coming up. Needs to be replaced. Exhaust fan is not working for the stove. All the appliances need to be cleaned. Panel to the side of the kitchen countertops is coming up. Needs to be repaired. More markers on the walls. Missing the shelf and the hanger rod in the hall closet. Needs to be replaced. Also missing the thermostat cover. Needs to be replaced. Missing another shelf from the hall closet. Replace. Carbon's not working. Replace the batteries. If that doesn't work, replace the carbon. More markings on the walls. Bedroom doorknob is loose. It needs to be repaired or replaced. It's tape on the attic crawl space cover. It needs to be removed and make repairs. Missing towel rack. Possible mildew stains in the ceiling. In the bathroom needs to be repaired. Toilet and seats tight. Your recall bathroom sink. Your standing water in the bathroom. Can't see where it's coming from. Need to be checked out for a possible water leak and repaired. More markings on the walls. More scratches on the floor. Majority of the windows are painted shut. Needs to be repaired. Marks and tears in the paint. Crack in the door by the latch. Needs to be repaired or replaced. Missing door stops. Need to be installed. Window unit is missing the side panels. It needs to be installed. More markings on the wall. Got a large hole for the washer hookup in the wall. It needs to be repaired. Several tears in the back screen and porch area. Needs to be repaired or replaced. Power meter is missing. The wires are straight wired. Needs to be replaced. Furniture, lawnmower, and grills. Broken four-wheeler. Missing a section to the fencing. Another missing section to the fence. Gas meter is missing. Needs to be replaced. And that's about it.